How to change the tire on a Huskee Lawn Mower. The Huskee brand lawnmower is a product of the MTD Corporation. When it comes to making repairs, the instructions are the same for similar products, such as the riding mower. Removing the wheel requires no special tools, so there is no need to take the mower to a repair shop. The project is not much different from changing the tire on an automobile, and requires only some basic tools that you can find in most toolboxes. Things you will need: hydraulic jack, wooden blocks, socket set, pliers, rear tire change. Move the Huskee Lawn Mower to a flat, level surface and turn the motor off. Place some wooden blocks in front of the front wheels. Raise the Huskee Lawn Mower on the side that needs the tire change using a hydraulic jack. Remove the mounting hardware from the rim of the tire using a socket and ratchet to loosen the bolts. Pull the old wheel from the shaft and set it aside. Place the new wheel on the mower. Install the mounting hardware and tighten the bolts with a socket and ratchet. Lower the Huskee Lawn Mower to the ground. Remove the blocks from the front of the mower. Front tire change. Move the Huskee Lawn Mower to a flat, level surface. Turn off the motor and place the wooden blocks behind the rear wheels. Place the hydraulic jack under the front of the Huskee mower on the side that needs the tire change and raise the mower off the ground. Make sure the jack is under the frame and not the wheel shaft. Remove the cotter pin from the wheel shaft and slide the washer off. Remove the wheel from the shaft and put the new one in its place. Place the washer on the shaft. Insert a cotter pin through the hole on the shaft and spread it open with the pliers. Lower the mower to the ground and remove the jack from under it. Remove the wooden blocks from behind the Huskee mower.